rwafatiruho mu butongore mu rukiko rubiriho mu kibuga cya Fortportal ahabo bembezi ba FDC abo rwaje rwa Katonga abebimbirwe owabimbirwe kibineki Dr. Kano Ritari Kizabesije abahagizi ba FDC hamwe n'abembezi b'ibyaro bari kutekateka aho Ekibiina cyabo kiri kutora.
A person, whether woman or man, at 25 cannot do a quarter or even a 16th of what their father or their mother could do at the same age. That's the magnitude of the problem we're faced with.
Omurukiko ubwo mbigambe bihirweyo bashaziremu Kutandika Ekibiina Ekisya ekibaro kugira ngo cyaiza kubaho kiza kushikiriza ebitekateko byabo
ekigambo cyo kubagambye kibasharamu bona unanimously nkaba chairpersons ba FDC Katonga Toro region.
Obo baragambaho aha mukorogu abahagizi b'Ekibiina eki bagizire ngo hariho ekyetengo cyo kutandika Ekibiina Ekisya ekiri kwebembeza ebitekateko byabo ebyetengo hamwe no kurwanisa ebizibu ebyo ebibari kureba nk'abantu ba Toro.
We are the part of Africa. All good things are in Toro here, but we've been deprived of those opportunities. The thing for us is to keep, singing NRMOE, putting on yellow t-shirts and nokutumanyira betuchwahiri.
Aba nabagira ngo nyuma yo kutandika ko Ekibiina eki nikiza kureba ibizibu ebyo mucweka cyabo nk'enkurakurana ibura ry'emirimo minyeto ebyamagara ebyo bwegese ekiba kugira ngo Ekibiina cya FDC ekiriho bwahati kibinagirire. Aba bongire bayero ko kwatoho bari kugira ngo government heremere kuhereza erisho ebicweka byabo no bwera bintu buhagize bwingi.
Murana ne sente zikujyayo izo bakugaba bakomba bagana umugate gwa national cake orale sente zikujya hano mu district zaitu zona Musanze orale na sente zigenda mu district yake yamuyonke yakasese ubara ntutubirira ari
omwaka guhuire Ekibiina cya FDC kikageramo butikirizana ho mbembezi baca bahiguru ecyaresireho okubaho embaju ibiri orwajo rwa Katonga hamwe no rwanya Janankumbi.
Is twofold. First, to inform them about the problem in the country, which is the same problem that is affecting all parties, not just FDC. The problem of the capture of our country, which captured all national institutions, which captured all our economic institutions, which captured all our wealth, and that capture.
Kugambaho mu rukiko Dr. Kizabesije wabiro president w'Ekibiina cya FDC agizirengo by'Ekibiina cya FDC bizo bikikoreba tibya FDC byonka okuyaho n'ebibiina ebirwajoro hakanisa government.
See how the FDC, which they have been trying to capture through the leaders of FDC, how it reorganizes to maintain the struggle for liberation. And in reorganizing FDC to maintain the struggle for liberation, we also talk to everybody else in the country, whether FDC or not, that we have to unite.
Amakuraga gashakwa Justin Nyakisiki awa Sky TV ya Geshonga omuri Fortportal.